And just before we go, let's do a quick recap of the top trending stories from the courts.
We begin with the report that the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission on Friday arraigned Justice Hailezira Nganjiwa, a serving judge of the Federal High Court, Bayelsa, for alleged unlawful enrichment to the tune of $260,000 and 8,650,000 naira. Justice Nganjiwa was arraigned on a 14-count charge before Justice Adedayo Akintoye of the Lagos High Court sitting in Igboshere, Lagos Island. The trial judge dismissed a preliminary objection challenging his jurisdiction to try the Federal High Court judge. Justice Nganjiwa, however, pleaded not guilty to the charges and was granted bail on self-recognizance. The court directed the defendant to deposit his passport in the custody of the court. Trial was then fixed for October the 6th after the court's annual vacation. A day before Justice Nganjiwa's arraignment, the EFCC arraigned a former Minister of State for the Federal Capital Territory, Jumoke Akinjide, before a Federal High Court sitting in Ibadan, Oyo State, South Nigeria. The former minister was arraigned alongside a man, Olanrewaju Otiti, on an amended 12-count charge bordering on money laundering to the tune of 650 million naira. The money is said to be part of a sum of $115 million allegedly disbursed by former Minister of Petroleum Resources, Mrs. Alison Madueke, to influence the outcome of the 2015 presidential election. The defendants pleaded not guilty. The prosecution has, however, told Justice Abdul Malik that the defendants have initiated a plea bargain discussion. The court has adjourned till the 6th of July to rule on their bail applications. Before then, they will be remanded in the custody of the EFCC. 2 days before Ms. Akinjide's arraignment, a chief magistrate court sitting in the Igboshere area of Lagos struck out a charge against her husband, a federal lawmaker, Aliyu Aman Petegi, who was remanded for failing to produce his wife for her trial. Chief Magistrate Afolashade Botuku freed Honorable Petegi following Akinjide's surrender to the EFCC at its Lagos office in Ikoyi. The EFCC had alleged that the former minister jumped the administrative bail secured by her husband with a bail bond of 650 million naira. Another former minister, Chief Femi FaniKayode, has asked the Federal High Court in Lagos to hands off his trial on allegations of money laundering. His counsel, Norison Quakers, asked Justice Rilwan Naikawa to instead order that the case be transferred to the Abuja division of the court. Mr. FaniKayode insists that the facts of the case show that all the transactions which the former minister carried out as Director of Media and Publicity of the Goodluck Jonathan campaign organization for which he was charged took place in Abuja. Justice Aikawa has adjourned till September the 26th and 27th for a ruling on the issue. And we round off in Ekiti State, where the appeal court sitting in Ado-Ekiti has dismissed an application filed by the EFCC seeking an injunction restraining the state governor, Mr. Ayodele Fayose, from operating his accounts in Zenith Bank PLC. The court described the application as lacking in merit. The appeal court said that the EFCC did not come to the court with clean hands on the application because it suppressed material facts.
And that's the program for today. Please give us feedback via any of our social media handles. Don't forget that you can find these and past episodes of the program on our YouTube page. I am Shola Sheyeli. Thank you for watching.